Hello to the people, hello to the new people, hello to the not quite new people, of which there is many, because, you know, I haven't been getting many new people recently. Hold on, let me change into my favorite skin. Yay, my skin is saved. Anyway, yeah, it's Mod Murdersome, aka, what's it called? Oh yes, the Bluppling Simulator. Fucking hell, my voice. This is Zeph. We love Zeph. I love Zeph. Oh yeah, also the, the mass. Look at the mass. The mass is here. You can't deny it. And there is little springs in it. And it's just having a real fun time. But what is the mass? Well, the mass is a sort of machine. And it'll be your gateway into the world of user interface. Meaning, wah wah wah, wee wee wee, stupid puppy noises. Who knows really? Okay, so buttons basically, because there's so many places that we need to get to. You know, I'm downloading Guilty Gear, or I'm trying to download Guilty Gear. Strive. I'm like so shit at fighting games, but like I have to get Guilty Gear because of the funny trans character who, looking at the wiki, doesn't even seem to be a trans character. Who knows though? She could be trans. I mean, I've accepted her as my idol animation. No. Oh yeah, a lot of stuff has happened since last time I've done one of these. Channel dying. Please cut what I just said out. Wow, funny kibby noises. I don't know that. I need to. I had fun idea. I did. Yippee. What if I did a roleplay scenario where you are the mean judge and I am the small criminal? And I swear I didn't do a thing. It wasn't me. What do the buttons do? What buttons are there? A shop button. Wait, shops are orange. Shops are orange, I think, because, you know, like the DS, the eShop on the DS, and also fuck the eShop on the Switch, because it doesn't have all the music I wanted. I should fix my audio. My rodeo. The rodeo competition. I didn't know though. Oh, it's uneven. Hello. I didn't know. Anyway, so yes, shop. How do I draw a shop? It's like this. Yeah. It's a shop, not a mustache. No. Now this is a shop and not a jam jar. I don't know. How would you draw a shop? Sorry, my voice training is really slipping because I haven't been prepared. I didn't have time to prepare. I haven't spoken today. I'm all whiny. Wine, and more wine. I'm so drunk. No, I'm not. But speaking of drunk, I'm gonna have some water because water is so good for me. I spilled water on myself. No. Why would the universe do this? It must hate me. It's a basketball now. I don't know how to draw a shop. Wow. Is it like a bag? What? Oh, shop. No. How do I draw a shop? What does the shop button look like? Why is Guilty Gear gonna take 7 hours to download? All in a day's work. All in a day's work for my gay ass. Sorry. Yeah, I'll stop complaining now. I'll just draw a shop. Boom. And it's not a jam jar. And then I'm gonna do the funny. Just the most orange, and then I'm gonna use the most blue or cyan because I know that they're opposites. I will just have to accept that it looks nothing like a shop. Sorry, I zoomed in and out so many. I'm sorry. Wait, I delete that. No time for that. Shop button. Yeah. You know, I was supposed to prepare some assets before starting record, but like, I don't know. I kind of want the rest of my day to do stuff. Cause I got big plans. Puppy got big plans today. Like roll around on my bed and be autistic. I don't know. Oh, spring! Yay! I should sit properly before I die of not sitting properly now. What if I want to? Ow! What if I want to roll? I will roll around quickly. Wow. I'm so happy. I'm allowed to be happy because I say so. Because my blue high is my best friend. Yippe. Oh yeah, wait, I forgot to show the new things that I added. It's a fee. Sorry, I'm in an absolute mood. Oh yeah, the Brain Cell Destroyer 3000. It's all that's in the puppy brain. It's in the puppy brain, and there's good brain cells, and then there's one evil brain cell that eats all the other brain cells, and when it's all eaten them all, it gets real fast to make Buppy think bad thoughts like, hey, bleach is, you can drink bleach. I would know, I've done it. Don't drink bleach. I wouldn't like that. Honestly, I could use you kind of alive. But who knows, really? I guess I wouldn't know because I haven't actually drank the bleaches. I'm not in the bleaches. Oh yeah, shop button. We can repurpose this. Buttons, yippe. Wait, no, I need to specify it's like UI buttons, yay. Mouse over and when the mouse is over it, in it. Oh, I'm so silly. No, okay, when the mouse is over it, it's like you set the effect and it's what hey, where's inverted? I don't know. Oh, to know. Oh, no, where is it? Inverted. And then wait, hold on, it's wrong. When the mouse is over an object, and the object is the shop button, and then we copy and paste and delete and then negate. Yippee, have you ever wanted to live in a gate? Nope, neither have I. Yay. Oh no, we have lost a soldier today. But it's fine, it works, and I didn't have to create an extra spring for it. I didn't have to make an extra spring, and that's okay because you're so gay. No, I mean, yeah, probably. Like, if this video's in your recommended, then like there's a chance. And if you're not yet, I mean, anyway. Mini games. Wait. Button. Yeah. How do you signify a mini game? Oh. Hey, you hungry home invader. Stop raiding our refrigerator. Hey, you hungry home invader. Stop raiding our refrigerator. Hey, you hungry home invader, stop raiding our refrigerator. Yeah, all the Undertale and Deltarune and Reltadoon. All the fans are gonna kill me. But that's okay, because I have the because the baby is you. Yeah. This is a minigame button. You can tell because it's the Discord logo. I don't know though. And there's a stick here. And the buttons here. Wow, this has never been done before. I'm so fucking original. I'm sorry, that was a strong use of the word. And now I'm going to spend the night in the cage. That is a joke, there is no cage. I'm legally supposed to tell you there is no cage. Anyway, inconsistency has been spotted, so we're fixing it. Yippee, now it looks even more like a jam jar. I just love jam. Anyway. Oh. Wow. Hey, you hungry home invader, stop raiding our refrigerator. Okay, we're gonna get a new friend now. Doug. Oh yeah, I added an orange in memory of my friend Styx, who tragically died of being too cute. And now you can click on buttons and it gives you a sensory response because I'm so happy. Yeah, yeah, don't we all love when we do something and it has an impact? But you know what would be better? If something had a long-term impact. Ooh, let's experiment with this. If you click on the object, if you click on the minigame button, it deletes your save file. No. but it will destroy. It'll destroy everything. Oh no, who could have done this? How could I do this? Ooh. And you knew. And oh. Long-term impact. Yay, I deleted the game. Yay, I deleted the game. Now, I don't know if white pussy's nocturnal or what. People who haven't seen that video are gonna be so confused. And I want them to be. Context, I'm not talking about the body part. But you already knew that because you're so not dirty-minded, aren't you, my precious viewer? Brain, but, puppy button. Oh. I mean, like, an inspect button, maybe. And then it could be in color order, you know? Like, put that there. Oh no, that's not locked, so it's okay. Yay. It's looking like a game, even though it's not a game. This is your calling to comment, yay. Yeah, comment yay. In fact, do it. Do it. What does a puppy button look like? They have them on their tummies. That's not a puppy. You know what, maybe I'll just make it like a tail. Yeah. I made it too big, her tail too fluffy. No. Honestly, the darling voice is more comfortable to do. And I've been considering just doing the darling voice, but the thing is, I don't think any voice fits me. Like, any voice in general, even my regular one. Ya na. Hey ya na, hey na, hey ya na, ha na, ya. I'm really glad I didn't get copyright striked on the quote-unquote interview video, because like that would be really bad. And also I did use a lot of music, most of it I didn't pay for, but that's okay because the law doesn't apply to me, darling. Okay, anyway, hi Doug. I'm glad Doug is no longer deleted. Tid. I'll sit properly. Blah blah blah. Oh yeah, I made it so that they randomly go blah. Listen. I'll turn sound up. Blah. 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 Like a good puppy, she goes. Sorry, this video is like way too doggy. But I guess if you're watching it, that means you want it to be doggy. You might be a doggy. You might, oh, who knows? Who cares? Who cares what you are? You're just stupid. But like in an insult way, not in a, like an endearing way. Hey, where's my Outlook open? Cut this out, what I'm about to do. Can't believe it. I think I'm the only girl in the world to spend 20 minutes drawing fucking buttons. I'm so unproductive. Anyway, Wait, no. Wait, yeah. And when you click on the button, I want it to be so that this here is part of a bigger thing. Sorry, I just threw up in my mouth. This is like part of a bigger thing where you can... Hey, no. This is part of a bigger thing where you can inspect the puppy body, but in like a... I really want to take care of this small creature type way. Oh yeah, there's gonna be a mini game where you can inject estrogen. So I wanna do that now. Wait, I need it. Please, give it me. Background. Hey, you hungry home invader. Stop raiding our refrigerator. I don't know though. Yippe. Yes, I need to draw. Or can the rest of this just be ASMR? It's the only thing I'm good at. I really want to buy like a binaural microphone so that I can do like actual ASMR for a few videos. Maybe like one as a joke and then one as a serious, maybe. Would you watch that? Because I don't know, some people said they would watch that. Who are some people? Clearly people who don't have any concern for their mental well-being. But it's fine, neither do I. And I cannot be so serious. Why so serious? I don't know, I'm not fucking serious. Shut up. So said the Joker. Speaking of unserious tinders, I got the boobs. Yippee. I'm excited. I want to roll around again. I want to roll around again. Me hazel staticky. It's getting hot in here, so take off my ear. I think I made that joke already in a different video. I don't know. There is nothing in me that is compelled to focus at any given moment. Oh, that's good. I want to wait 8.5 hours to play as funny trans girl. I spent this month's wages on this. I don't know. Anyway, legs. Legs. Yeah, stick legs. No. What the fuck does a leg look like? I don't know, maybe I have a 3D mod. I don't know, this is just confusing me. Wait, I don't even know how to inject estrogen. Okay, hold on. How to inject estrogen with diagrams. Oh. You do it up your butt. No, you don't. Sorry. I spreaded misinformation. Yay. Intramuscular injection. I know that B told me all about this on the phone call, but that day I was really out of it. And I didn't know. preparing the doughs. I don't know dough. Okay, so like in this situation, she's sitting down. Tommy, no, I don't know. She's like sat down, and this is her clothes. I can't fucking draw, okay? God, stop judging me. Hey, you hungry home invader. Stop raiding our refrigerator. And I was like, and like, this is her. And she got ribs. I don't know, that's what I look like. And I don't know how to draw. I don't know how to draw. I got nothing done. Yippee. Gui. I don't know, we'll be back to like regularly scheduled videos. Earbuds. Wow. Will we be the regularly scheduled gaming content, but creative this time? I need games to play. Voices of the Void. I'll play Voices of the Void. I need to play Voices of the Void. It sounds fun. It sounds so funny, doesn't it, darling? Yay. Yay. Wait, I just had a thought. Oh. Wait, wasn't there like an arrow? Oof. No yank is the said so. I don't know. Have you seen the video of the cat speaking in a French accent? It's really funny. What's the code for this? Oh, that's not much. It's fine. What's the 960 by 640? Oh, you cock. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Copy and paste. And copy and paste, my besties. But is it still the same aspect ratio? 3 by 2. Wait, it's just the same times 2. Okay, so like if you're in the Bluppy hub and you left click on the game button, and it takes you to tail yanking simulator. Yay. Yay, bud.
Bleh.
And if you die, then go home. You're drunk. I don't know. Bud. And we play a game. And the game is tail yanking simulator. Hey. What? I didn't do this. I don't know. I hate bug fixing. I don't like it. Hello? Oh. Press space. Oh. Press space or escape. E S C. Yeah, I can spell. And I can yell. Rah. 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 Is it centered? No. Does it need to be? No. Upon pressing escape, then you go to the regular Bloppy hub. Thank you. And so now we have a working minigame. Did I steal it from myself from like a year ago? Yeah. And then this bud again. Yay. I'm gonna actually have to make like a minigames menu. I need to make a thing for when you get the thing wrong. Oh, wow. I didn't know though. I'll sit properly. I'll sit properly. You know, the thing about voice training is like, for people, it's fine for Americans because you kind of overpronounce everything. But for the English people, it's not too easy. Because, like, different accents sound very different from different places. And a lot of people could probably clock me just by me doing this voice because it's not convincing whatsoever. Yay. I didn't know though. It's getting hot in here, so take off my ear. My ear. Incorrect. Incorrect. Hee. Boo 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 boo. La 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 la. Incorrect. If you were wrong. Ha ha ha. Wait, I need to write that. 960 by 640 by 64 even. Yay. Fucking wrong. Yeah. Oh. Wrong. Wrong. No, it's gonna be like all capitals, you know. Yeah. Wrong. Wrong. Now can it be scented, please? Me when I buy a candle, can it be scented, please? Oh, that is so stupid. Joke. Yeah. But it's okay, I guess. Humph. I still haven't been cast as a tsundere. I'm so sad. Huh. I think this works for now. I didn't know though. What if I make the background a really garish color? Yellow. Yellow background. I don't know. Hold on, I'm gonna drink water. Pew! Pew pew! Oil. 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 Yeah. And then this one, it should say Right. Yay. Right. This is how you get a puppy girl attention. You say, right, and she say, ah. Because you're so scary and tall. So... No, but you probably just got jump scared by me saying your name. You are oh so tall, taller than us all. And it is very endearing. Yippee. No. I guess I should move it to the right. I guess I should move it all around. I guess I should drop it like it's hot. No. I shouldn't do that. Otherwise I'll get copyrighted. Not copyrighted, I'll get the other bad thing. Yay. Oh. Button. Can you say button? Button. Yay, good girl. Okay, sorry. Menu, I guess. Oh. I didn't know though. How many times have I said I don't know though because it makes me sound cute and femme? I don't know though. Yay. That's a good tip for you. If you want to sound femme, say I don't know though. Now let's see what we can't do. Bloppy. No, it was Scotty. Ah! I'm so sorry. It was Gub. I'm gonna keep going until it's me. Yeah, there I am. Yeah, there I am. Oh, I give myself head pats. Oh, such a good girl. I brush her hair. My god, that is a thing I need. I need someone to brush my hair, but not because like I need my hair to be brushed, but just because I want someone else to brush my hair. You know, this is a need.
Black.
I need someone to yank my tail. I need to make a full design of the Bloppy character. Because I have drawn it traditionally, but I think maybe I should... Wait. Hold on. Look at my model in the bottom right. Has it always been fuzzy? Wait, I gotta fix that. Oh my god. I'm crisp. I'm so crispy. You could just eat me, please. Oh my god, that is so... Oh my god. This... Ah. Just for that, I deserve titties. I deserve some round... I deserve to be round. Ew. No, but... thank you. If you enjoyed, maybe like and subscribe and no, comment please. I love comment and then like and then subscribe. I love you. Bye.